Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Ratchet and Clank.
No, it is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon.
Alright, that's medic. That's what I can use for one trophy.
You sure you bought enough?
Almost max out this weapon.
That is one mighty fine enhancement. Go ahead, upgrade that. Make sure to tell your friends now.
Alright.
That phase quartz is all yours, Rivet and Clank. What's going on with Rivet?
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No! What happened here?
I am uncertain.
There's see, there's trophies on this too. I think. Shit. Let's hope I don't accidentally open Mafia. Every bazillion crystal.
The Blizon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your Blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
A facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that!
Facility damage warning.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown units.
Another dimensional thing?
No phase
Yes,
quartz.
the instability is
Planet.
worsening. Probably
What else
why
do you
mining
want, huh?
operations are offline.
My mind? fine! Take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizon's still intact.
Still intact? How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizon crystal.
Speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
That is currently online. Please vacate the facility at your earliest and safest convenience. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizard day.
Aha! Got it!
And have a safe, rule-following blazing Blizard day.
Ah!
Seismic activity has destroyed the bridge.
Guess we're going the long way around. Lava pup boys are kind of cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
You just figured that out?
Incoming. These crows always travel in herds.
Honestly, kinda cute. Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a Blizon Blizar day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
Ah, this is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizon in my dimension, this one could be next.
Excuse me. If you're going that way, could you look around for Chef Tulio? She was supposed to be back with ingredients an hour ago. Don't know if she's hurt.
Sure, I can keep an eye out.
Appreciate it. These miners have had a rough time today, so we're gonna cook up a storm to help if Tulio ever gets back here. Did something actually happen to her this time?
I am picking up a radio transmission.
You there, with the fuzz in the ears. How would you like to help create our galaxy's next food dish of the century? Don't answer, it's rhetorical. Just make your way up to Crystal Ridge, and we shall get started.
Chef Tulio, I presume? She sounds unhurt. I wonder what has been keeping her from returning to the miners.
Hold on. How are those robo-mutts floating? Chromatic cloaking field generator. Fancy. So cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love the look of that. Now, where's the exit?
Oh, Jason.
the culinary life calls to you, too. There should be quarry jumpers nearby that can help you get up here.
So shiny.
Come! I am Chef Tulio, and like all great artistes, I can only create beauty when I'm suffering.
Okay.
To make my greatest dish yet, I must harvest the Sarangian honey below us with this vacuum-suck. But doing so requires my full attention, so I'll need someone to defend me from those allergic to brilliance. If you wish to be a part of culinary history, start the extraction sequence with that hammer crank.
So, what's the dish?
But it will come soon. I can feel it. Now, it will take a moment for the machine.
Ha! Here they come! On the left! Use the button on that side to activate my trap! Splendid! I could not abide by the stench of pesticides, so I thought, why not go back to my roots? Barbecue! Ha! They're coming from the right! Activate the trap on the right! Before they damage the vacuum suck and scare away my muse! Delicious! The traps protect the vacuum suck, but they take time to reset. Can't have them overheating, can we? And that's my preamble, or as we like to say in the culinary world, the appetizer. Now, it's time for the main course! It begins! Here they come! Defend me while I dig deep for my inspiration. Idea coming to me. A Sarangian, honey-glazed, puffoid! But what drink do we pair it with? I need more. More inspiration. More honey!
Just think of those hungry miners, Rivet. They need this.
suck take any more damage! Magnificent! Yes, yes, yes! The drink shall be a serpified magma mead! But those miners deserve a dessert too! Which means we need to suffer one last time! Let's the final extraction commence! Our masterpiece is almost complete!
Oh man.
It begins! Here they come! Defend me while I dig deep for my inspiration. Idea coming to me. Sarangian, honey glazed, puffoid! But what drink do we pair it with? I need more. More inspiration. More honey!
Just think of those hungry miners, Rivet. They need this.
Yes, yes, yes! The drink shall be a serpified magma mead! But those miners deserve a dessert too! Which means we need to suffer one last time! Let's the final extraction commence! piece is almost complete! Dessert shall be an upside-down Snagglebeast honeymoose. Oh, yes. So much suffering. But now my imagination has woken from its slumber. This honey smorgasbord will be beautiful.
What suffering? You didn't do anything.
Thank you for your assistance. Perhaps this will inspire you to make your own art one day.
Oh.
I'm just happy those miners are finally gonna get some grub. Now, how do I get back to them? Oh, that security taxi should do the trick. All this food talk makes me wonder, Bolts. Who's the better cook? You? Or Ratchet?
Oh, it is never a competition.
It's you, isn't it? I knew it.
Alright. So, did I hit every one of them? I think I did.
You know it is quality when you buy from Ms. Zircon. Leaving so soon?
I believe we are close to the survey station. The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
You looking for the chief engineer? Use that thing.
Dimensional damage seems to be getting worse.
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way. There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the Quakes and the Blizon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase court soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go!
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
Ah! Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go!
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Was it too much to ask that we be able to find phase chords without dodging earthquakes and lava?
There! One of my bots is up there! It's awesome, Bob.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Be quick. Please come. Oh, good. No. Hurry. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful.
Finally, decent connection. I need to warn you about very dangerous.
Who could describe almost anything on this planet?
Indeed. We should be cautious.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, where he'd head first.
Jim? It'd be great if you did. Was close. Behind the safety glass.
Stop and listen. He's damaged.
Identified non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
See something over there? That's not a bro! That's the Lombax!
Yep, still me!
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious? Ah, a fair point.
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones.
That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you all so much for watching. It's been a little bit over. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.